Okay, so we're just going to take a look at this. Let's go through using this device. So there's the Nonin device that you'll receive. And so it's in a nice little case, and you will just open it up like I'm doing here. Inside the right side pocket is the device itself, and as you can see, it looks like just kind of like a big old ugly watch, and that's kind of what it is. It has a Velcro strap on it so that you can put it on and put it whatever tension that feels comfortable with you. So I'm going to go ahead and stick it on my hand here. And of course, I wrote on my hand last night about a B12 injection, so that's what you see there. Notice that the writing is facing up. Nonin's name is up on top. Then as you reach in the other side of the pocket, there are two cables. The black one, which I'm going to lay aside, is for downloading the test results into our software. But this is the one you want. This is the one that's actually the sensor that plugs into the top. And you'll see there's a slot for the sensor to plug into. And you'll notice that the sensor goes with the Nonin name up again. So we have Nonin at the top and we have Nonin on the sensor. The sensor itself is like a little rubber boot, and it just automatically contracts around your finger. And you can see the light turned on immediately as it is plugged in. So you don't have to do anything to start the device except put it on. As soon as I put that on my finger, if you notice, the device started. And not only did it start, but it's beginning to measure my O2 and my heart rate. And so you'll want to put this on about you want to put it on when you go to bed. And just stick it on there and it'll start measuring. And it's going to measure all night long. If the cord bothers you, you could always take a little piece of tape and tape it to your hand there. I didn't find too many problems with it. It is better if you place it on your left hand. That's closer to your heart. We get better O2 measurements, so it should go on your left hand. And then at the end, when I'm done with the test in the morning, I simply take it off. And if we watch it, the device will stop recording. And there it goes. And so that is the test. Maybe that was 8 hours, and that's all saved inside that device. And when we get it back, we'll download the data. And then, of course, all we need to do is take it back off. Now, we like for our patients to do this 2 nights so that we get consistent data to make sure everything worked good. So you could take it off in the morning, put it back, just replace all the parts of it. And then you'll want to be able to save that and then do the same thing the next night. And so that way when we get the device, we can download 2 tests and make sure that they seem similar and that nothing really occurred. And that's pretty simple. It starts itself, it ends itself. Okay, that was just a simple overview of how to use the device. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.